Wall Street doesn't want you knowing this one pattern that predicts every stock incident. Miss how market forces are engineered, not merely predicted by headlines. Consider the Euro KRW rates, a massive plus 29,451.6% surge in value. It gets even crazier. This isn't random speculation. The systemic reaction to 1,735 specific economic triggers. Euro USD Euro KRW trend shows an incredible plus 147,559.8% upward trajectory. This isn't about guessing, it's about understanding the underlying arbitrage systems. Most investors focus on individual stocks, not the systemic liquidity flows. Build an automated capital allocation system, not a stock-picking list. This system rebalances automatically, capturing gains without prediction.